Hey there. So, we've got a bit of a problem on our hands regarding compiling non-Apple products without getting tangled up with Apple Inc. If you've ever tried to work on projects like WireGuard and felt frustrated by the Apple developer requirements, you're not alone. The hassle of dealing with IDs and certificates can be a real headache. But fear not, there's a solution to this dilemma that doesn't involve jumping through Apple's hoops. So, let's dive into the solution. One way to work around the code signing requirements on macOS is by ad hoc code signing your executables. This process involves using the command precode codesign s a.outCodePre. By doing this, you can bypass the need for official Apple developer IDs and certificates, though keep in mind this method restricts the acceptance of the executable to the local computer. It's a handy workaround for those who just want to get things done without all the fuss. To wrap things up, compiling non-Apple products on macOS can be a breeze with a little creativity and resourcefulness. By ad hoc code signing your executables and sidestepping the usual Apple developer requirements, you can focus on your project without unnecessary distractions. Hopefully, this solution helps you in your quest to compile projects like WireGuard smoothly and efficiently. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts below. After all, who doesn't love a bit of developer humor? Happy coding!